So I've been using the Firstcard Secured Credit Builder card for a while now, and if you're just starting out with credit or trying to rebuild from scratch, this card probably popped up in your feed. It's student-focused, app-based, and offers credit building without the headaches of traditional banks. But is it actually helpful, or just another fintech with more hype than value? Here's my honest review, from personal use to what the fine print actually says. The Firstcard Secured Card is a student-focused credit builder card, more like a hybrid between a prepaid card and a secured credit line. Here's what makes it unique. No credit check to apply, no annual fee, no late fees, no interest. Requires a security deposit that sets your credit limit. Monthly payments are auto-paid from your linked bank account. Reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Built-in app with spending insights and budgeting tools. Offers up to 15% cash back at select student-friendly merchants, like food and tech. It's built specifically for students, not general users. Here's where Firstcard shines. Extremely beginner-friendly. No hard pulls or credit score required. 0 interest and no fees. Seriously, none. Helps build credit with autopay, so you don't miss due dates. Cashback deals with places like Starbucks, DoorDash, Spotify, etc. Clean mobile app experience. Financial education tools baked into the app. For students trying to build credit safely, it's a solid modern option. Now the limitations. You must provide a security deposit, which locks up funds. Not ideal for non-students. Limited cashback categories and rewards. No upgrade path to an unsecured credit card. Your credit limit is tied to your deposit, usually $50 to $300. Rewards are merchant-based, not universal. Doesn't build credit with spending power. It's more about positive payment history. So while it's safe, it's also limited by design. This card is perfect for college students or recent grads with no credit, first-time borrowers who want a low-risk way to build credit, people who want cashback deals on student essentials, anyone looking to avoid traditional credit cards altogether. Skip it if you already have decent credit. You want more flexible rewards or higher credit limits. You're not a student. Most perks won't apply to you. You need a credit card that works internationally or with travel perks. If you're just starting out and want a safe, app-based way to build credit, the Firstcard Secured Credit Builder card delivers. There are no fees, no interest, and no credit traps. Just clean, modern credit building for students. That said, once your credit improves, you'll probably outgrow it and want something with higher limits and real cash back across all purchases. But for a first step, this is one of the most beginner-friendly cards in 2025. If you found this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more no BS credit card reviews. And comment below, are you considering Firstcard, or is there another starter card you're looking at? Let's talk. Catch you in the next one.